Hi again everyone, it's Matt here from Style Factory, the go-to site for e-commerce reviews and advice. In this video, I'm looking at Wix versus BigCommerce. Stay tuned to find out which of these popular website building platforms is the right fit for you. But before I begin, a quick note to say that if you have any questions about either product, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help you out. With that out of the way, let's dive in. I'll start with a look at the reasons you might want to use Wix over BigCommerce. 1. Wix gives you a lot more templates than BigCommerce. With Wix, you have hundreds of free templates to choose from. By contrast, BigCommerce only gives you access to 12 free ones, and to be honest, quite a few of them look rather similar. More templates for BigCommerce are available from the platform's theme store, but these can be very expensive. 2. Wix gives you more website building features. Because Wix started life as a website building platform rather than an e-commerce platform, it gives you more tools than BigCommerce for laying out your content exactly the way you want to. Wix gives you a lot more ways to create attractive page layouts, galleries, and forms, and its blogging features are better too. 3. Wix gives you access to autosave features. Wix automatically saves your site's content as you edit it, but BigCommerce doesn't. This lack of autosave features in BigCommerce means that you can occasionally lose work if your computer crashes or you lose access to the internet. 4. It's cheaper to build multilingual sites with Wix. If you want to translate your website into multiple languages, there are no additional charges for doing so in Wix. Its Wix Multilingual app lets you translate your existing site into over 100 different languages, entirely free of charge. But to translate content in BigCommerce, you'll have to make use of a paid-for Weglot integration. As you'll see from the Weglot pricing table, this can make life extremely expensive if you have a high word count on your store. 5. Wix comes with built-in email marketing tools. Email marketing is a crucial part of running a successful online store, and the good news for Wix users is that the platform comes with built-in email marketing tools. In fact, if your mailing list is small, these can be used for free. By contrast, BigCommerce doesn't come with any built-in email marketing features. You'll have to use a dedicated solution like MailChimp or GetResponse to send e-newsletters to your audience instead. This means more configuration time and possibly higher costs. 6. Wix can be used entirely for free. You can technically use Wix for free indefinitely. It makes a forever free plan available to its users. You should note, however, that this free plan is ad-supported and doesn't let you accept payments for goods. But it does let you build a basic website and gives you plenty of time to learn how to use the platform. By contrast, BigCommerce only gives you a 15-day free trial. Okay, so that's some of the key things that Wix does better than BigCommerce. Next, I'm going to look at the reasons you might want to use BigCommerce instead. But just before I do, I'd like to let you know that if you check the video description, you'll find links to all the latest free trials and offers for both platforms. Okay, so let's move on to the reasons to use BigCommerce. 1. BigCommerce lets you create multiple stores with just one account. With BigCommerce, you can build lots of stores using just one account. On its $39 per month standard plan, you can build 3 stores. Its $105 plus plan lets you build 5, and its $399 Pro plan lets you build 8. This is great for merchants who want to manage multiple e-commerce brands under one roof. If you want to build more than one store with Wix, however, you'll have to pay separately for each one. BigCommerce's multi-storefront feature is a unique selling point for the platform. Of the e-commerce solutions that we've tested, it's the only one that includes a multi-storefront feature on its regular plans. 2. BigCommerce is a better solution for multi-currency selling. Selling goods in your store visitor's own currency can have a massive impact on trust and ultimately the number of sales you make. Unlike Wix, BigCommerce facilitates full checkout in local currencies, making it a more natural choice for international selling. While Wix lets you display prices in your visitor's own currencies, it doesn't let them complete a purchase using them. 3. BigCommerce templates are fully responsive. Unlike the templates in Wix, all of BigCommerce's themes are fully responsive, meaning that your website's design will automatically adjust itself to suit the device it's being viewed on. While Wix does let you create mobile-friendly websites, they are not truly responsive, and building a website with Wix involves building two separate versions of it, a desktop version and a mobile one. This can be time-consuming. Furthermore, responsive design is preferred by Google. Responsive websites can perform slightly better in search results than non-responsive ones. 4. You can switch templates more easily in BigCommerce. If you want to change templates in Wix, you're out of luck. You can't. This means that applying a new site design in Wix involves a complete rebuild of your store. By contrast, BigCommerce makes it really easy to change your theme. You can do this with a simple click of a button. 5. BigCommerce lets you sell on other websites. While both Wix and BigCommerce both let you sell products on your own sites, BigCommerce also lets you create buy buttons that allow you to embed your products on other websites. So if, for example, you manage to get an article about your products on a popular blog with a BigCommerce buy button, you could make them available for sale immediately on it too, by asking the writer to embed your buy button on the post. 6. There's a wider range of apps available for BigCommerce. BigCommerce's App Store gives you access to a wider range of apps and integrations than the Wix equivalent. There are over 1,200 apps available for BigCommerce, while Wix offers around 900. This larger selection of apps lets you integrate a BigCommerce store with a considerably wider range of other online tools and extend the platform's functionality in ways that are not possible with Wix. So that's it, our take on the key areas where BigCommerce and Wix beat each other. To sum things up, Wix is the more natural choice for building content sites with. It's usually the better option for web design novices who just want to create a simple site and do a bit of e-commerce on the side. But BigCommerce is usually the better choice for selling products with, especially if you want to make your items available for sale in multiple currencies or want to operate multiple stores using just one account. Of course, the best way to find out which of the two is right for you is to try them out, and free trials are available for both. I've put links to these in the video description, along with other Wix and BigCommerce offers and resources. Before I go, here's my usual reminder to like this video, click the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you easy access to all our e-commerce content. You'll also find a link to our free e-commerce kit in the video description. This gives you access to a host of useful resources on how to create an online store, along with discount codes for popular business apps. And finally, if you have any questions about Wix or BigCommerce, feel free to leave a comment below. We read them all and will do our best to help.